Hi friends, welcome back to Orbital Adventures, where science turns into stories you can feel and remember. Stay with us. Have you ever wondered why some cities grow faster than others? Why natural disasters affect certain regions? Or how global supply chains actually work? The answer lies in geography, the science that helps us understand our world, not just as places on a map, but as connected systems. Geography lets us see patterns, like climate shifts, migration flows, and urban growth, and understand how they influence people, nature, and resources. It's how we plan safer cities, manage water and food supplies, protect ecosystems, and respond to disasters. And here's the amazing part. Geography isn't just for scientists or policymakers. It's in our daily lives too. From the routes we take to work, to the weather forecasts we rely on, to understanding how local events are linked to global changes, geography shapes the way we live and make decisions. At Orbital Adventures, we've also explored how geography can sharpen young minds and help kids see the world in new ways. If you're curious, you can check out that video in the description. Whether you're planning for the future, curious about the environment, or just want to understand why the world works the way it does, studying geography gives us the tools to make sense of it all. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and see you next time.